Hi, everyone. Thanks so much for spending your time here with us today. My name is Yudi. I'm a technical project manager at Sage Bionetworks, and I'll be walking through some of the N3C Data Enclave homepage features today. All right, so when you first land on the Enclave homepage, you'll see several navigation menus along the left, along the top, and the What Would You Like to Do section here. I'll be doing a brief overview of the buttons here and a few of the items along the top. Below here is the live count of the data that's currently in the N3C Data Enclave, which Melissa shared a snapshot of at the beginning. All right, so from the What Would You Like to Do section, you'll see 4 buttons: See My Projects, Request Data Use, Explore Projects, and a Quick Start Tour. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to start with the Explore Projects button, where you can see the current research and operational projects already in the Enclave. So projects which support request to join are listed in the first section. In the middle are projects that you can't request to join, but may still want to read about. And below are operational projects for use by N3C internal teams. There are a lot of projects happening in N3C, so you should browse around the domain teams and this project list to see if any potential projects already match what you're interested in. You can use the request to join button at the end here to begin the process of joining that project. Please note this interface is a little cramped, so notice that the columns are sortable and there's a handy search feature at the top. Okay, so what happens if your topic of interest doesn't have a project yet? You can propose a new project space as the project lead. To do this, we're going to go back to the landing page. And you'll want to submit a data use request, also called a DUR. You can get to it by using the Request Data Use button here. So the public N3C website has a detailed checklist that you can use to make sure you have everything you need to fill out a DUR, also known as a data use request. Moving forward, I'll be referring to it as a DUR. As an added note, please be thoughtful in your response to these questions, as DURs are difficult to modify after the fact. And whether you would like to create a new project or join an existing one, you'll need to complete one of these. All right, so while you wait for your DUR to be approved, there are several other sections of the homepage you can explore. Within the Data tab up here, there are links to the Synthetic Data Release Notes and the Data Enclave Release Notes. The training section contains a wealth of information in the form of documentation and self-guided tours. However, these don't pertain to N3C data. For that, we've created a training portal which covers N3C specific topics, including OMOP and code workbook templates. And at any point, if you run into questions or issues, you can go to the Support and Contact tab. Here you have several channels of receiving help. For data and Enclave specific questions, please use the internal reporting system. Okay, so once your DUR is approved to create or join a project, you can use the See My Projects button under the What Would You Like to Do, this button here, to see a list of all the projects you're a part of, as well as their approval status in the interim.